Oh, g'day all. Just rigged up a little thing that I've had for a while. It was actually, I got it from Caravan Supplier, I think it was. Caravan something. I'll put it up anyway. But it's a Starlink power supply setup. Okay, pretty much just has, I'll show you it. So you got your Starlink lead and it just plugs into that. This is part of it. And then, oops, mine center. And then that's it there. So you got your lead running up and it runs into there, and you got your power supply into here. And it comes 10 amp fuse and the Anderson plug. And I've just rigged up another Anderson plug and then a connection down to my power supply. And you don't, I've hardly even noticed, it's been running for about half an hour now. Haven't noticed the power dropping one bit. But before, I'd run it through the Kings and I think that was taking an awful lot of power. Because you could see the voltage dropping, ampage. But yeah, so it's worth keeping a few bits and pieces with you. Now, I usually keep a little drill, impact driver, some electrical stuff, some cable, assorted cables, tools. So yeah, little note to self, worth keeping some spares. And I'll speak to you next time. Like and subscribe, just make sure. Or head over to the website and pick up some stuff, merch, hoodies, t-shirts, stuff like that. Anyway, I'll speak to you later. Bye now.